fair data that helps us to find data, to get access to it, to have interoperability, is, in the context of AI, extremely important. So imagine a situation where you have an AI agent that should give answers, like the one that I said earlier. Tell me about all our products that have a certain ingredient. If you have this data distributed in different formats, fragmented somewhere, nobody knows where it is, how can an AI agent magically find out how to do that? So you need to prepare first your data, tell your agent, here it is, and then it can be used. And then you have, let's say, the benefits and productivity enhancements through this agent that you're going for. But if that's not the case, how can you create a benefit from the AI? I would say unfair data creates unsuccessful AI projects.